Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making orange ginger sticky finger wings. Guys, if you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, please do so you will not miss any of my delicious recipes. Those who are here, guys, thank you so much for your support. So today we will be making this orange ginger sticky finger wings, guys, and you're in for a treat. So without further ado, let's get into it. These are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. I would have already washed 4 pounds of chicken wings. I'm adding some McCormick homemade seasoning. That is my orange marinade, some orange juice, some chicken bouillon, onion powder, garlic powder, some sweet soy sauce, some black pepper and smoked paprika, some chili flakes, some brown sugar, and some grated ginger, some parsley, and we will go in and marinate everything nice. Make sure everything is combined. I'm adding some honey mustard. Guys, I did also add some liquid smoke. Looking good, smell amazing. I'll add some few slices of oranges and then I'll cover and let this sit in a marinade for about 2 hours. So guys, it's about 2 hours. It's about that time for us to get our chicken wings onto our baking sheet. So that is what our chicken looks like, and this will be baked at 365 degrees, amazing, for about 40 minutes. Now to make our glaze, so that right there is the juice from the chicken, and we will put all the ingredients together in the bowl. So I've already added some grated ginger, I'm adding some brown sugar, some BBQ sauce, some ketchup, orange marinade, and some of the juice from the chicken, and we will mix that well. Make sure everything has dissolved, nice and combined. Make sure to taste. Look at that, guys. Amazing. And we will apply this back onto the chicken and place this back into the oven for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until everything is nice and caramelized. Look at that. Just beautiful. There it is, guys, our delicious orange ginger sticky finger wings. Now this is a definite must try. Guys, if you're new and you have not yet subscribed, again, please do so. Please share, comment, and like this video. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.